Hey guys, today mm, I'm gonna play it's called Heavy Rain. I have not played it or watched it at all yet. I hope I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. If you ever play this game, as you see, I just started it up. Didn't do anything. I'm gonna do English subtitles, all that stuff, all English, just in case. Never know if you need subtitles. Just a little brighter. Mm, I guess normal. Mm, mm. So, it's very often, occasionally, quite regularly, very often, occasionally, quite regularly. Oh, this is the difficulty. Quite regularly. What's the most? What do you guys think is the most? Since I play video games like all the time, I'm just gonna put the one I started on very often, just to make sure I'm still gonna. I'm not gonna change it. You know, if I play whole video games a whole bunch, that's actually more difficulty. So about the same people who made Detroit Become Human, and hopefully I'm gonna try making those games again. But I know nothing about this game, so I hope we're in for a treat. I don't know this game at all, so I'm gonna try not to skip things if I have the ability to. I'm gonna try not to skip any cutscenes like this, so I have no clue what's happening. But my uncle got it for me, and it's made of the same people who made Detroit Become Human, and I love Detroit Become Human, so. Oh, that's how you know it's made by. They have the same mouse movements and stuff, I guess. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna do it fast, so. So, of course, I spent. No, it's different. Yes. The art styles, I guess, is pretty cool. I don't really know the art. What's this? Heavy Rain's about. All I know is it has 4 characters. Can I get dressed? Yes, I believe I can. Or I guess not. Okay.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
That's cool. What's this?
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Cool. Yeah, it's his family. Guess you have to take a shower before you get dressed. So that's how I do it. I take a shower before and then get dressed. I don't know about you guys, but you guys probably get dressed and then take a shower, right? Shower with your clothes on. Can you guys even hear me? I'm gonna check the. Yeah, you can. Sweet. How'd I get dressed? Shower. I don't know how to shower. Through here. Ooh, bird. Okay. The only thing I know about this game is, if for some reason it has a whole bunch of origami. Like I went into the, like the point shop. There's like origami stuff. I think origami's cool. Never really learned how to do that, but hey, I guess I'm gonna do origami, I guess. You guys take showers in the morning or at night? I personally take a shower at night. Oh, that's cool. I like these games. They're very interactive. With, like the mouse and keyboard and stuff. I don't even know who's the people who make these games. I don't know. I take this is really, you have to really pay attention. Oh my crap, new stuff. Oh, what? This game's gonna have to like be a very long game. I actually don't know how long this game is. So. Yeah. Hey, I don't really know how long this video is gonna be. But I don't know how. I think there's 4 characters. But I don't really know too much about. That's really the only thing of this game. Didn't know really this game existed, so. And that first sound like both here. They on the mouse. It's confusing. At least for me it is. You like when I talk when I play video games? You're just like watching me play it. You know, I like having no commentary. It really depends what I'm looking for. I like just a guide for a game. I'll do no commentary, but if I'm watching like a game like this, or I don't know, like a box market, so like that, I'll rather have commentary. Oh, it's first what? I'm just doing random stuff. I completely forgot you can.
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is
I'm as clean as a whistle.
His head.
Time to get dressed.
Is him speaking. Am I going the right direction? No, I'm not. Is this my kid's bedroom? Do I have a kid? Yes, it's someone's birthday. Just juggling in your underwear. Hey, no. Oh, that's fine. I understand this. Straight random stuff. I can't juggle. Why'd I just talk about just random stuff? I don't know. No, this no open. No open. Thank you. Hopefully, you guys want to watch me play more of this game, and especially more Detroit Become Human. So I really want to play more of that. I'm pretty. Also, if I'm not, probably not gonna make any more videos of me playing Far Cry 6, since I don't have the game anymore. Basically, just borrowing it from my friend. But need to get back. Well, it's like the online store. I use my friend's account. So technically, I was borrowing a game. But now I got PlayStation Plus, just the essentials. I can't get it again. Hey, I got some free games. Cool. Garden.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time. I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Who else on the garden? Ooh, is that my child? This wasn't the garden. No, it was the front door, wasn't. That was the back. This is a nice house, though. Please walk forward. What's your name, Jason? Or is that your kid's name? I don't know. This is the kid's birthday? I don't know.
It's almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
Coffee.
I could go for a cup of coffee.
You wouldn't? Do you guys like coffee or tea? I mean, I don't really like both. Neither. I'll get. I'll take like a nice coffee or a cappuccino. That's really the ones I like though. I'm a big coffee drinker. I do like tea though. Tea's good. I want to open the fridge. Open the fridge. What's inside the fridge? Birthday cake. What's birthday cake? What's birthday cake in the fridge? Or am I just weird? I think that you don't put birthday cake in the fridge. Drink the juice. Oh, what did I? Well, you got 3 things of juice in there. 3 cartons of juice. Holy crap. Sorry if I'm speaking loud. Watch one of my videos. I can't. I'm not speaking normally. My volume. The mic is all the way up. It's kind of like quiet. Of course, you gotta drink the coffee because for some reason in these games, everything you have to do with your mouse or keyboard or controller if you're playing like that. I don't know why. How am I? Okay, fine. Fine. We're not gonna look out the window if you don't. If you're gonna refuse to. Yeah. Birthday, warm music, TV.
I hope Grace found a present for Jason's birthday.
Kind of like you do this. Kind of like better, like instead of just, what do I have to do again? You know? Definitely the walking style. Like the camera definitely reminds me of, Detroit Become Human. I mean, it's made out of the same thing. Same developers. I believe this is like right before. This was the game before. Pretty with the sword. So you start doing this because like you move on the you move around the, and now you can just like never mind, just stop walking.
How about some music? Maybe there's something on TV. I could just relax on the couch until Grace and the kids come back.
Is he inside your house? Close door. It's a nice day out.
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your
8 more
car?
years.
And I think you're gonna have
For
to wait a
that,
little while
6
for
more
that.
years. Well, depends where you live, actually.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I guess America.
I'm coming.
The U.S. Please don't look that way and help your wife. No, why? No. I'm sure you want to help your wife with the groceries.
Need a hand, Ethan?
No, thanks. I'm fine. I'm all thumbs today.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
I just woke up and
Not really. I tried,
Shower,
but I
candles,
didn't really nail it. I hope I get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the client next month.
what do you this guy? Does this guy do?
I've got a billion things to do.
Oh, this is cool. Cool. Try to turn it down low. Music.
It'll never be ready before Jason's
It's kind of loud.
out.
No.
Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
I'm good.
No problem, leave it to me.
Who say no? It just. Where? What kitchen? The cupboard? Plates first, place. The kids first, Grace.
The plates should be in the living room cupboard.
Hey, Ethan. I thought I asked you to take care of the plates.
I forgot. I told Grace I...
Yeah, they haven't moved since last time I asked.
I don't know what. Here? Grace.
She's more goddamn beautiful with every passing day.
Good for you. I don't. Where? I don't know where. What's this? Oh.
Ethan.
What
I
if
don't
I
know
the
if I've already
plates,
told you this
man? That's
today,
all I
Mr.
want to do.
But I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars.
Well, I guess we're doing this instead of finding the plates.
I know what's on your mind, Ethan. But now is not the right time for it.
Shame.
I've really got to focus on this party. We'll continue this little conversation later.
Don't know what conversation you guys are having, but friends? This guy has friends? No way! His friends?
When are Jason's friends coming?
Jason's friends. That makes sense.
Oh, about 2 p.m.?
Oh,
God,
this
I hope
copper.
I'll keep the situation under control. Not like last year.
Oh.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Knock over my stuff. I have like so many Lego cars
That's
over
the
here.
set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Hey, Ethan! You said you were gonna be careful.
I'm sorry, I'll be more gentle.
I don't know what I messed up. You're too fast on the floor. This is gonna be a long game. But hopefully a fun one. If it's anything like Tropium Human, I'm sure you'll love it. So Jason has no friends. Or he has 3 friends and it's just him and his friends eating. What do I have to do? Play
I
with
think
the
I'll go
kids?
outside and play with the kids.
Outside? Nah, man, I'm good. I don't go outside anymore. Oh, Bye, bye, guys. We're just gonna close the door.
That's it, I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are gonna be here
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Man, I
wants
wish
to
I
go
was.
first?
Me first.
I
Me
wish I had a
first.
sibling. man.
Easy, fellas, you can both have a turn.
Well, obviously, the
Me
birthday.
first. Me first. No, me.
The birthday boy.
Alright, Jason, let's do the helicopter.
Mess this up. We like die. I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess it up. Oh, who's this? Never heard of the helicopter.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
I heard of the airplane. I never heard of the helicopter. Oh, pick him up. It's not the helicopter.
Okay, Sean, get ready.
Orders.
Here we go.
He's gonna fall. So if he falls, he's gonna like die or something. I don't know why. I hope he doesn't, boy.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Be careful, hang on.
I was being like a young kid. I'm so I am a kid, just like, younger. You know, like this age, like 8 or 9. Now I'm 13.
This time you're done for.
Nah, kid, you're getting destroyed. Nah, kid, you're getting destroyed. Man.
Surrender, weakling. Say your prayer.
Nah, I don't care for my son and the birthday boy. Boy, you're getting destroyed. Nah, bro. Getting destroyed.
Come on, Jason.
Getting destroyed.
I am victorious.
Watch out.
Oh, got him.
Attack.
Uh-oh. I didn't do that, bro.
Yeah,
I
that's
literally
great.
just that bad.
Yeah, Jason.
Oh, this no.
Pay for that. Come on.
Sure, buddy.
Oh,
Boom.
that's gonna be work.
Yes.
Yeah, Jason.
Locked. Parry.
Watch out. Yeah.
Parry.
Go, Jason.
Well, it's not
Yeah.
parry. It's lock.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Down. Ah,
My life. Let's go.
Food's ready, kids.
should I let him?
coming in?
Should I let him win? Nah. I accidentally let him get one hit on me. That's enough. Oh.
Sean, lunch is
I
ready.
know.
I'll go get
This
him.
is a lunch. This is fancy for a lunch. Where'd Sean go? Who's the other? Is that Sean? Is this Sean? Who's the other kid? Is he also my son? I think so. But this is the kitchen. What's his name? Oh, that's Sean. This is my birthday boy. That's Jason. Sean. Where did Sean go upstairs? Did he go upstairs? So I have no. I was not paying attention. Oh, I'm walking the wall. It's a fun game. Oh yeah, he's up here.
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if he could come back to life.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
I know. I know.
What even happened? Did the bird like fall? It's a bird. It could fly. How did it die? Or was it dead and it just fell? You know? I bought a picture. Reminds me of it kind of reminds me of that one Call of Duty thing where the little girl was playing and then the truck just exploded. I don't know. What Call of Duty was that? I don't know. Oh, it's a clown.
Oh, I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem.
I don't think something's gonna
We're
happen.
not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
I feel like something's gonna happen. It's like Jason or Sean or something. Something's gonna happen. Should I let your kid wander off? No? I don't know.
Jason! Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason.
Jason. It's like so lowercase. Jason.
Jason.
Okay, that's a little more louder.
Jason.
Jason. Jason.
Jason. Jason.
Jason. I guess that's yelling. Okay, stop wandering off. The clown's gonna do something. I don't know what, but I don't trust
Jason,
that
you
clown.
really shouldn't wander off like that, you know?
Yeah.
There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad,
you're not a
come
clown.
on.
Okay, let's go buy a
Oh,
balloon.
Great!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon
His teeth
would you
is
like,
so
Jason?
No, there.
the red one.
Is his teeth yellow?
Here you go.
I don't know. I was looking at his teeth. It's the first thing I noticed.
That'll be $2, sir.
Dollars
Jason, wait for
a
me.
balloon?
Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Is that expensive? Hey, I'd say like, I don't know. It's $1.
Keep the change.
Hey, he has the balloon
It
now.
is impossible
Just
to
the
try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
But you don't have kids.
Disappeared?
Guys,
What do you mean disappeared?
you're gonna lose.
Stay here. I'll go get
Just
him.
don't go in the mall with a kid.
I'll be right back.
Jason!
Yo, it's that lady's here.
Jason! Jason!
Is that my kid? Hey, Jason.
Jason!
You're not close. Did he
Jason!
fall? I did fall enough. I went down though. Oh, no, there he is.
Quick, I need to go down.
Jason!
Say your mind.
The red balloon I bought him should make him easier to spot. Keep cool. He couldn't have gone very far. I'll find him.
Jason!
Right, head down. Am I going the wrong way? Probably.
1 second. I barely took my eyes off him for 1 second.
Jason!
You guys don't know he's downstairs. You can't sprint either. You can jog. Sometimes. Like if I mess it up.
Jason!
There.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
Listen.
Jason! 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 Jason!
What now?
Jason!
Where'd he go?
Jason! Jason!
So, right.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Saul. Yes, yeah, what's your problem? You're getting like schizophrenic or something.
Hey, watch it!
Is the guy schizophrenic?
Jason!
Jason, God, you ripped.
Jason!
Not schizophrenic. That's good.
Jason!
Talk to him out.
Be careful, right? Hey!
Jason!
You walked outside of the store.
Shit!
Dad!
Jason! No!
Jason! Jason! Oh my God, no! No!
I can't see what happened.
No, Jason! Oh
Oh my god.
Excellent.
No!
I called it too. They get hit by a car or like die or something. I like called it too. It's not really that good thing to be able to call, but hey. I was not expecting that. And like I said, I don't know anything about this game. So the computer enterprise, whatever the last word was. Aquatic Dreams production. Is that the people who created Short Game Union also? That's the only other game I know by them. So this will be. These are just the credits. I like their credits. It's actually kind of cool. Yeah, where's my phone? What time is it? It is 6:30. Sweet. It's almost dinner. Well, it is dinner actually. It's half an hour past. Excuse me. Heavy rain. What the? This guy like jump scared me. Oh, hello. Oh, it's an old person. Those the other characters. So I think there's 4 characters. That's like I said, that's the only thing I know about it. This game is there's 4 characters. Usually by same people way to try to give you one. This is how I like this game. And also I love this. I like the rain. This. I'm guessing. Like your choices impact the story. I'll guess. Just taking a guess. I don't know. It could be a completely plain story. Little kid. Little other kid. You can see there's a lot of rain for the game called Heavy Rain. Makes sense. Pretty cool name though. Cool. Oh, he survived. How you do the rain? Are you gonna kidnap a child and make him your child? No, you're picking up, I believe, your mother's son.
Hi, Sean.
My dad.
I forgot, Jason died on his birthday. I don't really like. It's probably the worst. Like time to go is your date of birth. That exact day. I mean, we're not like year stuff, but you know what I mean. Seatbelts first. Make sure that's good. And start the car. I already like this game. It's a pretty good sign. I'll play a little bit more. Something video. I'm sorry guys if you don't like the 40-minute videos and stuff. It's kind of hard. If you haven't played games, it's kind of hard to just play a game for 20 minutes. You know? Speaking of time, how long is this video going for? 34 minutes. And 42 seconds, exactly. Cool. Something I like about these games. Some of they live changed drastically. From very fancy homes, not the best small home. I like how these games is you can just like pause it like whenever. What is this watching? Okay, I forgot.
It's still early. We'll see about the homework later. Grace has Sean this weekend. Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother. If Sean is hungry, he can find something for himself. Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
All right, I'll come back a little later.
Oh, second floor. Let's go there. Snack?
It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
I don't even want to be bothered, but how does I walk in front of him?
How are things at school? Is your teacher nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
Just want to see what he's watching. Really? No clue what it is. Well, I'll go get you a snack, I guess. Can I just turn off the TV? I will if you just do something. Dog snoring? No. I heard my dog snoring. Cool. Let me put that back. This is chocolate or something. Chips? Yeah, have more of those. Oops, that's good. Yes. Children like chips better anyways. I like chips. I'm gonna give you your snack.
Here, Sean. Here's your snack.
Thanks, Dad.
Dad's not doing the best, so as long as they're happy. Old fridge. Beer? Sure. I guess I already have it. Just open it, put it right back. Oh, I can't go back and get it. Oh, no, I can. What do you guys say? Juice or beer? Okay, beer it is. Since you guys aren't choosing, then I already opened it. How do I? Oh, it's up. No, it's up without drinking it. Oh, I drink the whole thing. Blocks. This is the bathroom. They shot you good though. They shot you good.
You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you. What do you say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
I think there's some medicine in the bathroom cabinet.
This is a sad bathroom. It's really all you need, though. You got a sink in the kitchen. Don't really need that. And this washing machine. Cool. It's a bear. I have no clue where that. The medicine is. It's fun. Or, ooh. Guess what the origami has to do with. Origami killer. Well. It's gonna be one of those games we have to survive killers or something. They're pretty cool. Yes. I have no who these are. Ooh, bills. My favorite. Is it taxes or bills? Rent, which is basically bills. Where's the postcard?
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them, they cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children had never been seen again.
Eerie. I guess I just won't go to church then. Pause me. I'm religious, so. Definitely raining. Hopefully it isn't right now. It's actually in the 70s, I believe. Or something like that. He's just upstairs. He's actually just exploring his house. Turning on all the lights. The electricity bills are high, you know? You've ever done that? You haven't? Good. Oh, who's gonna go pee? Okay, I guess we're doing that now. I feel like this game likes peeing for some reason. Let's turn on the light to find the medicine. I guess it's in. What's this? That's okay. First off is wash your hands. You know, don't want to handle medicine with. Wash your hands with just water. You want your hands to be clean. I'm not gonna really get on mess around in the other rooms. This is maybe a little boring. Me doing stuff like for you guys. I can explore this place all day. I don't know about you guys.
It's dinner time. I'd better make something for Sean. Here, take this. It'll make you feel better.
Thanks, Dad.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
All right, I'll...
Make dinner. First, I guess. First, I want to sit down. About 2 seconds or so. There we go. That's my time of sitting down. What is this? Working then dinner. Yes, sure.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen.
And it's set
I'll
on
help
the
you.
list, so. Turn off the TV, focus. What's going down? I guess I'll be able to figure that out. There isn't ever a next playthrough. I guess I'll figure that out. That out. Was second time. Not entirely sure. My first time playing. Like I said, I don't know yet if I'm playing it the second time. It obviously wouldn't be a good game. Just like the same exact turnout. Some games it might. But eat up, buddy. No. Can you eat that? Sure. I know the clock's before now. It's all time. But I can barely. I'm not used to have a little longer right now.
Come to think of it, if he's not asking for anything, it must be because he's not hungry.
I'm outside. I guess.
Dad, I finished. Can I go watch TV?
No, I don't want to go back outside. I want to check the clock. Check the clock real quick. It is. It's almost 9. Yeah, it's time for bed. Sorry, little buddy.
Let me have a look. Pretty good. Looks like you're done. Off you go.
I guess I'll watch. I'm watching TV. Oh, my mom's calling. It'll be a second, I guess. Oh. Okay, I'm done. Should I check over me? See if I got. If I ate. If I had the dogs got my homework done. Got my homework done. Didn't eat and didn't feed the dogs today yet. Hey, you already watched this part, I think. You want to change the channel? We don't mind. I want to change the channel. I was just watching it very close and fast. Sweet.
So, do you want to talk a little?
Talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends, how things are going.
Nothing special.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, I'll go see what I can find. I'll call you when it's ready.
I kinda need to hurry up, though. Pizza, I guess. It's already kinda made. She gotta cook it up quickly. So I need to eat. These dogs for mom gets home. So. She's getting home by at 7. It's 6:47. So making this sound like a timer, basically. It's a quick video. It's 40 minutes, really. Yeah, I was gonna say. And a half. I'm cutting it. Fun. No, I didn't stop moving the mouse. My mouse is going up and down. Oh, you don't like a little slice from. How dare you?
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming.
The Wilhelm scream. Yo. Go sit down. We're gonna drink. I guess I'm gonna go sit down. Or get some food. Oh, juggling. Well, yeah, I'll try again. One more time though. It's actually kind of hard. No, one more time. Let's see if A, S. Put it down. Good. Okay.
It's Sean's bedtime.
Much later. No bed later.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
No, I need to go.
All right, we'll wait a little before going to bed. But don't say anything to your mother, okay?
Dad, why'd you turn it off? It was my favorite show. Turn it back on, Dad.
Watch. It's like the same exact stuff.
Come on, Sean. It's time for
It's
bed.
just the same
I'm
exact
not
stuff over and
tired
over
yet.
again.
Can I
Watch
stay
it.
up a little longer?
Good.
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
True. That's true.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth and put on your pajamas.
I'm not gonna sleep
come up.
with you, but I'm probably gonna go to bed. What the game makes me do is I need to finish up this video. Yeah, I like the game. It's just I'm kind of rushing. No. You guys ever made a video before? Some of you guys, most of you guys aren't YouTubers. Or active. If you guys tell me your channel, I might watch one of your videos. Just tell me your channel. Am I sleeping in the big boy bed? No clue, Sean. That's really just right in front of me. Cool room. Oh, what's this? kind of like the part in Detroit where what's her name writes something. I don't want to spoil it though.
Good night, Sean.
Not supposed to say something
My
else.
teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad.
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I can't sleep without him.
Too bad. We'll press OK.
All right,
Okay.
I'll have a look around and see if I can
Too
find
bad.
it, okay?
I know where it is, so might as well. I can't sleep without him. Man, too bad. No, you ain't sleep. We can sleep without him. I'll find it for you. Whatever your name is. My son, I still don't know his name. See, remember searching the house is actually helpful. Good game. Keep on forgetting. Thank you. Keep on forgetting. This is just me playing, so I actually have to talk. I'm not talking to myself. You see? You must be perfect without him. Where's Teddy? Oh, he's right there. You gotta hold it. Sweet. This room's pretty cool. Oh, gotta close the door. So I did that bad. Oh, I was just doing it. You do it slow. What the? Sorry I didn't close the door slowly, man. You don't have to traumatize this guy. Just close the door slowly, you know? Oh. I thought it was happening. Very loud. Red keys. No. It's origami bird. No, it's a horse. Or dog. I think it's a dog. The origami killer? Why do you have origami? But the only way I know about it is because that article. That's all. I can't pronounce words, so if any of you guys know what that means, or, ooh, thank you for supporting Active Drama. What was dog? Wait, what time is that? Is this a new character? If I stop the video, this is the save point. Like, can I exit the game? I don't know. What's different? Is it different? Okay. Honestly, it's gonna once I get here, this is stop. Okay, hope you guys like that first part of the game. But here's now a time where, you know, I'm gonna have to stop the game. Action. It's pretty fun. Hopefully you guys liked the game. Because I did. And hey, hopefully see you next episode or video. I don't know. See ya.